Hello YouTube, and I'm really bored. And I really want to make a video, so this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna record me eating, finding something, and then eating it, and yeah, and I'll put it to YouTube. Cause I'm bored. This is what happens when I get bored. So you really don't want to watch my channel when I get bored. I bet I'll easily make you guys bored too. No, this kind of chocolate, like chocolate. Hope you got bored just like I did. Now let's eat it. This is gonna be awesome. Nah. Yeah. I might be uploading some videos of me riding the demon shop. I wrote it. Chocolate pudding for the win. Weird. Yeah. Tastes kind of fun. Pretty good. Oh my gosh. Look down there, it's my computer. On my chair. You better not shut off. I'm not there right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So good. Alright, I'm gonna stop it now because. Bye.